This is group number 9, and this is our game Becoming a Bee, with the emotions of agitation and tenderness. Um, and so I will go in order for each of the implementations that we did and how they come together. The first one is player movement. So with arrow keys, you will see that the player, the bee, can move around and uh, wander the world. And so the second one, as you might have already seen, second implementation is enemies and enemy shooting. Um, and so this works together with the first prototype, um, creating the sense of agitation by needing the player to dodge. Um, and so our third prototype was Nectar Collection. And so this can be seen once you hover on a flower, um, you absorb the flower's nectar. Um, and this works with the other two prototypes by um, furthering the agitated feeling of being a bee and trying to avoid obstacles. Um, and so you might also see that an additional bonus prototype that we added was this tutorial. Um, and so our uh, fourth prototype was adding an attack mechanism. As you can see here, um, the player can attack by pressing space. And finally, just to conclude this, um, I can show the last prototype, which ties everything together. If I can actually solve this. So once you have enough nectar, you can convert it into honey. And for our final prototype, we added uh, viable buildings with um, multipliers. So this has a speed multiplier, which affects the player, and health multiplier, and then defense. And so once you have enough honey, which you can see right here, after collecting nectar, you just press E, and the buff is added. Then you press comma to find more flowers. And all of these prototypes come together to create a goal-oriented game in which you have to extract the nectar from a pretty dangerous playing field in order to boost your abilities. And yeah, that's our game. Thank you for watching.